In this video, we'll be talking about some of the COVID-19 pieces of information directly pertaining to student employees. The first thing that I did want to mention is that we do have an FAQ for any questions or concerns you may have pertaining to COVID-19 on the additional resources webpage for student employees. Something else I did want to mention is that as employees who would be coming onto campus, you will need to complete the daily screening form. The screening form is listed at the top of the webpage right here. And if you're already familiar with the student version of the screening form, the student employee form is the exact same as that. It's the exact same question, so you'll go ahead and just fill out the screening form whenever you are coming in to work that day. However, if you did have class and work on the same day and you did fill out the student form first, what you could do is screenshot your result from the student form and then just send that to your supervisor. Otherwise, you absolutely can complete both forms. Also, currently, as of recording this video, masks are required to come on campus, so you will need to be wearing a mask at all times when you're on campus. However, you will want to confirm with human resources if that rule may have changed from the time of this recording. The other pieces of information I wanted to mention pertaining to COVID as well was regarding a training video that is listed on your onboarding portal. This training is required to be completed once you have been entered into the system, so it may not be immediately available for you as you are watching this video. You may need to wait a week or two for you to have access to the training, but it is a training that just provides general etiquette regarding COVID in the workplace, and you'll want to make sure that you do complete it on paid time. So you'll want to just coordinate with your supervisor a time to complete that training. And then the last thing regarding COVID I wanted to mention has to do with your vaccination certification. As a student, I'm sure you've already had to complete the vaccination certification through your student dashboard. However, as an employee, you'll have to complete it again through your employee dashboard, which for more information and instruction on how to complete that, if you're not sure how to do so, you'll just want to go ahead and reach out to human resources and we'll be able to assist you.